Huh?
Right next door.
I know.
We can beat everybody else here.
And now what?
Cool.
I ain't cutting hay. They're doing breakfast tomorrow.
Huh?
Oh, what is that? Sweet. Did you make it all by yourself? Good job, Mara.
Awesome.
Good job.
Good, good, good. She's comical. Her facial expressions crack me up.
What? Your hood? It blew your hood up? It's kind of windy out here, isn't it?
Cool. What are you making, Chloe? That's neat. You making
You
a
gotta go
castle?
potty, Maddox?
You
Maddox,
think?
you go to the bathroom? Hey, just run over here and go at the fence.
Maddox, you have to go potty?
Oh, okay.
Okay, if you don't, or if you do, just go over by the fence.
Oh, you will.
He's good at that, isn't he? It's always like going outside.